Introducing the ultimate driving experience, the 2019 Volkswagen Polo TL 1.6tdi M5F 80HP 5-door in sleek black. With a powerful 1.6-litre diesel engine and manual transmission, this hatchback is both stylish and efficient. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like Bluetooth phone, electric windows, MP3 connection, and much more, this Polo ensures a comfortable and convenient ride every time. Plus, with advanced safety features like ABS, airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information. Drive in style, drive with confidence, drive the